Hello. Hello.
Hi, Gina. I'm swimming before Gina. So I'm late, Gina. I'm so late.
Where are you guys all from?
Denmark. Denmark.
What you say, sir?
Where are you all from?
Philippines, sir. And my best friend, Leonard, is Denmark.
Yes, Denmark, yes.
How about you, sir?
Canada.
Ireland?
Canada.
Okay. Welcome, Ireland. Welcome in the live in Philippines.